All right, now I'm going to show you how to stand. It's very important how you stand in a fight. Okay, so like I'm stood like this, I'm waiting for a taxi, I'm going to get knocked out and steamrolled. So from this position, you can call this the horseshoe stance, all right? So left leg, I'm going to take a step forward. Now, you see I'm in a box stance now. Feet, just move out a little bit, bend your knees. Now you need to feel the floor. This is why it's good to do this barefoot. When you've got trainers on and shoes, it sometimes causes traction on the feet. Okay, so bare feet's always good. Feel the floor, and now feel where your balance is. You need to be sitting over your legs. Okay, bend your knees, bring your elbows in. Okay, chin down. All right, it's no good having your chin up here if you're fighting. You're going to get knocked out. All right, you have to protect this. Your body can always take a lot of damage, right? And you can use a lot of blocks as well. Your face, you really have to keep your face and protect your face. It's very important. So, chin down, elbows in. Hands not clenched hard, only on point of impact from this position. So this is your stance. Now you need to feel strong in this position. Some people might be leaning too far forward, too upright. So from the side, I'll show you something from the side. Bend your knees, elbows in, chin down. Now this position is a great fighting position. Now where I've got my hands as well, as you can have your hands like Muay Thai and this is called the long guard. Then you've got the medium guard, and then you've got like the peekaboo Mike Tyson style where it's close in. So wherever you find it comfortable for you. For me, this is about here. It's in between the peekaboo and mid-range. This is comfortable for me. Why? Because I can block very quickly to my face from that position. When you're out here, it's a little bit more difficult. So find what suits you, and once you're comfortable in that position, we can move on to the next part.